Hello, you're back in the video. On the end of this video, just a preview, we're gonna put the first video on the end of this video if you want to watch. This boat, it was a story we didn't finish on the first video, so I'm gonna now tell you how it was bringed on this position now. It was carried by a truck with the police around it. It was bring up here, really hard, really unstable. And the first way was when we talk on the first one, it was really bad. It was looking like trash, the ceiling falling off. And then we made this area real beautiful. We're gonna show you the kitchen. Right now we gotta get a little probably up. Here's the kitchen. We have a little bit of sprouting to do here, so it's really nice. We got just fix the water problem. Gonna make a new pool. We have a cutting board. We have this, and then we have a freezer. I don't know. Then we have these side panels. We have our grill here. Then we go on this side, and we have our first sleeping quarters. There's two, and then we have right here, we have our commander's area. Here's the commander sits. We have a lot of space down here. I can just move this to show a preview on the bottom what is hiding here. There's a lot of junk, but turn the camera here, Daddy. And then you can see every flag from A to 3VVW or Y. And then we have the really new radio. The old one was poop. Then we have a new one. We have the electrical supply here. Then I forgot to show you that here's a speaker, a really old one, but it's really new too. And then we have on both sides, here's our eating area. Here we eat. This is the preview where we start. And then we can come, we're gonna just see. Then just see the door there is covering the back one. Then there's the kupalnica, the bathroom, and there's gonna be the big bedroom, and here's gonna be a TV, PlayStation 4 right here, and a lot of stuff. Bye. We'll see you on the next channel. Go like this video. Peace.